Happy New Year, fam! How are you doing? I hope your 2023 was so exciting and awesome. Yes, this is another new year, 2024, right? Boom! It has come, and I know that part of your new year resolution is, oh, I want to lose some weight. I want to do this and do that. I want to be careful about my body. Yes, that's fine. That's awesome. These are some fruits and grains I have here, and I will introduce you to every of these so that we can make some juice out of it, keep it, sip it, and it's very helpful. This is what I'm using, and just so you know, guys, that is part of my resolutions too. I love to stay healthy. So guys, this is my ginger and turmeric. So let me quickly tell you the health benefits of ginger and turmeric. Ginger and turmeric are antioxidants, which protects the body from stress and helps support your immune system. It's anti-inflammatory too, you know that, right? And it's rich in vitamin C and K, which is essential for minerals like potassium, like your magnesium, and calcium. Yes, pineapple and celery have a natural diuretic properties, which help reduce bloating. You know, when you're constipating, right? It helps reduce your bloating, your constipation, making you feel lighter. And everybody want to feel that way, right? Exactly. Apple protect heart. It boosts your brain health. Yes, that's apple. And it may help you in losing weight. So guys, we're going to start juicing it now, and I told you you can either do it two ways. It's either you juice it or you blend it. If you blend it, add a little water in it so that you can strain it out. Use a strainer to strain it out and trash the shaft. Yes, guys. Thank you guys for watching the show. Like, share, subscribe, push the notification button so that anytime we upload new videos, you will always be notified. Put all your questions in the comment section and I'll be ready to answer it. Just trust me, I will. Thank you for all the questions that are loading. So guys, let's drink healthy this year. Happy new, prosperous, wonderful, and awesome 2024. Bye, guys. Ow.